Hi everyone, this is Saili again. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I have posted new videos, but from now onwards, I'll be continuing with my existing Python tutorial, and I'll be definitely posting different technical tutorials on Python. I'll be starting with list, and then I'll cover different topics such as tuple, set, dictionary as well. So just stay tuned to my channel and subscribe and like, and I'll eagerly wait for your valuable comments. Thank you for viewing. Now let's get into this list concept. So first of all, what is sequence? List is a sequence or collection data type of Python. So what is sequence or collection data type? Collection or sequence is a special kind of data type which can hold multiple values of different types in Python. So as we can say that like it's one feature. What is the difference between collection and array? Array holds different elements of same type, but collection can hold different element of different type. This is the major difference of collection data type over array. So list is the first collection data type which we'll be covering. List is an ordered sequence of item of different types. It is a mutable data type. In order sequence item means every item of the list is ordered, and we access the items using this order or index number. And mutable. In Python, there are two types of data type. One is mutable, one is immutable. Mutable data types are those whose value cannot be changed, but whose value can be changed, but immutable data types are those whose values cannot be changed. So list is a mutable data type, so we can change it. List is an ordered sequence, it allows duplicate values. That means we can have same value more than one time is in a list, because list identifies each of its value using the index number but not the value itself, and list can be accessed via index number. So this is the main feature of a list. Now let's look at the syntax of a list. So here, this is a list. A is a list which contains three different types of values, and we can change this A with the second line. Like in the next line, the A contains only integer value. In the first line, A contains integer, string, and float or double. All the values of the list should be enclosed within the third bracket. So this is the main syntax of list. In order to print the values, different values of list, we can use print function followed by the list name. It will print all the values. But if we just want to fetch some of the values from the list, then we have to use a process which is known as slicing. So what is slicing? Here, this is an example of a slicing. What it does, in the this is the first number is the starting index. And oh, one more thing, list the index starts from 0, not from 1. As in case of array, here also the index starts from 0, not from 1. So it starts from 2, and in the start index and followed by the index. This is like if it's mentioned 5, so it will print till 4. The index minus 1. So it will return 0, 1, 2, like item present at third, fourth, and fifth position. In the second line, like if the first thing is omitted, then it will print from the very beginning till 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1, like last index minus 1. So it will print 5, 10, 15, and 20. And if second part is missing, then it will print from the start index till the end of the list, like from 15 to end of the list will print it. If negative index is present, this is known as negative slicing. So in case of negative slicing, it will start from the last item of the, like the end of the list. So first item for the last item is at minus 1, then minus 2, likewise. So it will print from minus 4, that means from this 25, and -1. So value before that, that is 25, 30, 35. So these three values will be printed. Now let's look at this practical example of this. So here I have declared a list and I have printed them. When I am printing the list, all the element of the list will get printed like this. And this is another way of creating a list, which will create an a replica of list. Like here I have created a list using list constructor, my list. If I want to print the type of the data, then I have used type function. Type will print what type of data it is. And len function will print number of elements present in the list. In here I have printed the second element. So this lotus gets printed. -2, it will printed second last element. So 16 gets printed. 2 to 4, it will printed item present at 0, 1, like third and fourth position. So a jasmine and tulip gets printed. Then -3, -1, that means tulip to 16 will be printed. Then colon 3, that means uh, the uh, first to 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2. So rose, lotus, jasmine, these three gets printed. Then 2 colon from 0, 1, 2, jasmine to end of all the elements get printed. And last one, like if I don't specify any value, then all the element of the list will be printed. So here I have discussed just slicing part of list, and the other different functions like extend, del, pop will be discussed in the later videos. Thank you for listening to my channel. Bye bye.